Ah! No!
My car was the safest.
Wow, your car even broke. Yo, that.
It broke? Broke my car. The cover's car broke.
Mine broke like at the front. Yo, that's crazy. So the winning car is the one that will be the first one to touch here if there are 3 cars behind it. So they will do laps until the winning car arrives at the start while the other 3 cars on the same lane trying to go same direction, right? The rule number 2 is once it gets there, we can stop it. It doesn't hurt. So, are we ready?
Yeah.
Which lane are you taking?
Brakes.
Yours has the brakes. Are we ready?
Why are these good?
Because it brakes. Mine doesn't have. So Julian was able to customize his and put some brakes at the bottom. You can be able to put the brakes. I never put mine, but I put more dampers to make it a bit heavier. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, it was the first. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, wait there. Ah! No!
My car was the safest.
Wow, your car even broke. Yo, that.
It broke? Broke my car. The cover's car broke.
Mine broke like at the front. Yo, that's crazy.
No, you need to pay.
You need to put. Hey, Julian.
You need to put that back.
This was.
That's why you should put like clips on the side to hold it.
Yeah.
Because then it kind of come up. Did you know the wheel is braking?
The wheel is braking.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's fine.
That doesn't matter.
So we had a small accident, or a big accident. Actually, it was my fault while I was busy screaming and shouting and looking at how everything was going. I crashed onto this that caused all the cars to pile up. Well, we found them.
I think mine had the most damage.
Yeah, you can put yours on the truck.
Mine had the most damage. Like start it quickly?
Yeah.
I can start it.
Yes, please.
Okay, practice.
Yours had what?
The bearing and the fuel.
So I have hope in this one. We have fixed Julian's car. Nia's is okay. So we're going to test it. But mine keeps on jumping off the truck. Julian's one is the fastest. So let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Here. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm stuck.
Yo! Ah! Ah! No! Ah! No! Go! 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 Go!
Hey! Mine.
Yo, what the hell happened?
Oh no!
That was so chaotic.
Which what?
This one, I think,
Mine's still going.
I think this one lost its body, found its body, went on top of its body, covered it, knocked everyone out, and then came back again. Awesome stuff. Well,
Mine, I'm
that-
the winner.
Julian is the winner. We give it to him.
Then me
Good
next.
job. High five.
Me next,
Mia.
then Coco.
Second. Good job. You ran very well. Coco had a lot of problems.
First. I'm gonna
Yes.
build that one.
But we have hope.
Third, I mean first. For that one I'll build for you or Nia.
Yeah, for sure. You need to. Oh, my little truck has flown, dived. This other one, I found it there, and then it came back here, and then it went there, and I was like, ah. So anyway, that was fun, and we enjoyed it. What do you think about the truck?
Brilliant. Do we need to close
9
it?
out of 10 because nothing's perfect.
Nothing is perfect, for sure.
Nothing ever.
Maybe we'll add a few clips, and then we fix our cars not to fly out, and then we'll see you guys on the next
You
episode.
can 3D
right?
print it.
3D print it, for sure. So what do you tell the people?
I won.
Yeah, he won. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. And Nia,
I'm the second one.
she's the second winner. First winner. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others.
And Coco's the third
Please
one.
leave